Ever wondered how cloud computing is revolutionizing the tech world? It's a question that tickles the curiosity in many of us. Today we're going to demystify this tech revolution and master the art of cloud computing. Cloud computing in its simplest form is the provision of computer services over the internet. Imagine having a supercomputer in your pocket, accessible anytime, anywhere. That's the power of cloud computing. It eliminates the need for owning physical hardware or servers. Instead, you use those of a company providing cloud services. The concept is like renting a house instead of buying one. You pay for what you use, and when you're done, you don't have any maintenance or upkeep worries. That's the beauty of cloud computing. It's flexible, cost-effective, and it scales with your needs. Now let's delve into how cloud computing works. When you upload a photo to the cloud, it doesn't just disappear into thin air. It's transported over the internet to a data center. These data centers are massive warehouses filled with servers that store all the data you send to the cloud. The beauty of this system is that these data centers can be anywhere in the world. This is why, when you access a file from your cloud, it feels like it's coming from an invisible, omnipresent source. Hence the name cloud computing. Cloud computing is not just about storage, it's also about computing power. When you run an app on your smartphone, the heavy processing doesn't happen on the device itself, it happens in the cloud. This means you can use less powerful and hence cheaper devices to do powerful things. Now let's look at how cloud computing is reshaping the tech landscape. It's changing the way businesses operate, allowing them to be more flexible and responsive. It's enabling scientists to process vast amounts of data for research. It's even changing the way we consume media, with streaming services like Netflix and Spotify leading the way. So what have we learned today? Cloud computing is the provision of computer services over the internet. It's like renting computing power and storage instead of owning it. It works through massive data centers that can be anywhere in the world. And it's revolutionizing the way we do business, conduct research, and consume media. Mastering the art of cloud computing is about understanding its principles and seeing its potential. It's a tool, and like any tool, its power lies in how it's used. So, dive into the cloud, explore its potential, and watch as it continues to shape the future of technology.